After more than 3 years of preparation, God finally showed me how I will do my ministry in Hawaii. Within the 3 years, I served as missions director of Immanuel Fellowship. I have managed to attend short-term missions courses and have conducted some courses myself. I have also joined 2 exposure and study trips abroad in a cross-cultural setting. But my most memorable ministry here in the Philippines is when I worked with the Badyaos of Cebu City. My work with them left a lasting imprint that changed my perspective about missions. May be defined as that of a traveling volunteer worker going around the Filipino-American churches that invite me. I may be also likened to that of a traveling salesman that is promoting his product as the eternal life plan. Since I will be traveling most of the time, my mind is already prepared to the scenario where I will probably no longer own a house of my own. Retiring in comfort is no longer a part of my expectation. Of course, only God knows what plans He has for Nita and me. But wherever He leads us, we will obey and go. Upon arrival in Hawaii, my first priority will be to meet the church leaders individually